A very good morning, students, to all of you, and a very warm welcome. This is the last lesson of your syllabus, Foreign Trade in India. For the convenience, I divided into various parts. In the part 1, I am going to discuss meaning and types of foreign trade. What is foreign trade? What are the types of foreign trade that we are going to discuss in this point, in this part. As I said, always for any good answer, we have to give the introduction. So the introduction of this foreign trade is, before 1947, the pattern of India's trade was typically colonial. India was a supplier of raw materials to the industrialized nations, particularly England, and importer of manufactured goods. This dependence on foreign trade did not permit industrialization at home. As a result, the indigenous handicrafts suffered a severe blow. However, many underdeveloped countries that won independence in the post-World War II period viewed foreign trade as an investment. That means what you have to understand over here, that before 1947, India was having only we were importing the manufactured goods from England, and we were the supplier of the raw materials, particularly to England. Okay, meaning of internal trade. Buying and selling of goods and services within the boundaries of a nation are called as internal trade or domestic trade or home trade. It can be called as internal trade, it can be called as domestic trade or home trade. For example, if goods produced in Maharashtra are sold in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, it is known as internal trade. That is, in the boundaries of India, within the boundaries of India, it is bought and sold. So it is internal trade. Then what is the meaning of foreign trade? Foreign trade is a trade between different nations or different countries of the world. It is called as international trade or external trade. India and Russia, India and Sri Lanka. That is, it's not in our boundary, it is out of our boundary. So it is called as foreign trade. According to Wasserman and Hultman, international trade consists of transactions between residents of different countries. That means different countries are involved in that. Now we'll discuss what are the types of foreign trade. Foreign trade are divided into 3 types. 1. Import trade, 2nd. Export trade, and 3rd. Intraport trade. Import trade. Now we will discuss what is import trade. Import trade refers to purchase of goods and services by one country from another country, or inflow of goods and services from foreign country to home country. For example, India imports petroleum from Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, etc. So this is what is called as import trade. That is, it is coming to our country. Now what is export trade? Export trade refers to the sale of goods by one country to another country, or outflow of goods from one country to foreign country. For example, India exports tea, rice, jute to China, Hong Kong, Singapore, etc. So it goes out, that is called as outflow. When it is coming, it is called as inflow. Inflow is import, outflow is export. Now next, intraport trade. Intraport trade refers to purchase of goods and services from one country and then selling them to another country after some processing operations. For example, Japan imports raw material required to make electronic goods like radio, washing machine, television, etc. from England, Germany, France, etc. and sells them to various countries in the world after processing them. So this is not the final good. Whatever the Japan is getting, they make some processes on that and then they sell that. That is called as intraport trade. So there are three types of trade. Number one, import trade, number 2 export trade, and number 3 intraport trade. So what you have to understand here, the meaning of internal trade and foreign trade, introduction, and 3 types of trade. The question can be explain the various types of foreign trade. So you can give the answer in this which is going to cover the entire thing which I told. Thank you.